Hey guys. It's Kayla. And
it's Jada.
And she back again. And today we're gonna be eating spicy chicken sandwich.
I got it regular.
Yeah, she got the regular. I got spicy one from Popeyes. Check it out. This is my second time having this.
My first time having this. Who these big?
So we don't like to eat a lot.
What? Ain't
Yeah.
none left.
It is.
Give me some more.
It's the same amount. You're not even gonna eat all this. Okay.
Okay.
It's good. Look like the shit.
Who won? Not first I got the name. Okay, I know you're about to do that. This chicken is huge.
She ain't gonna eat all it. But she. So I got the spicy. She got the regular. How it tastes? You gotta tell me.
It's good. I can tell now this is better than Chick-fil-A. It's better than Chick-fil-A.
What's this say?
Dang. I don't even eat pickles, but I'm gonna eat on this sandwich.
It's sweet. It's good.
No, I'm gonna get it off. It's like the flavor, if it's on something, I can deal with it, but I keep eating one of them. What sauce do people be putting this in?
I don't know.
You see the one, the gay twins? I dipped it in some sauce. I want to do that though.
I feel like, no, the first time when it came out, I ain't have it, but I feel like it was better the first time. The second time, it's still good, but
Did you get the other one or spicy?
awesome.
I'll try to get the spicy one second.
Oh, let me some more. Oh my god.
Nothing so. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Since Kayla didn't say it. I can't wait to tell my mom I got one.
She around? I should never have dropped that pop yesterday. That's why I don't drink pop, because I'm starting to break out. So
Of course I did.
Come back to water.
But usually I wake up with some bumps on my face.
Oh wait, I don't got a burp yet. Oh, never mind.
What?
Bit off of it a little bit. That's all right.
They're fried though.
I ate them. It's only like 4.
You had a few more in the car. You should have saved them. Only ate 2 in the car. Either way, you still got more. Than me. If y'all notice, I just got my nails done. Taylor got her feet done. But y'all don't want to see them.
They're cute. Only reason I didn't get my nails done is because of cheer tryouts. And you can't have nails, not even strong ones. They go, you take it off. So I don't know, somebody to get my nails done, so I have to take them off anyway. No, she eats so slow.
Cause you got a big mouth.
Really so slow. I feel like
I'm full.
y'all see Shaz's in every video. You better eat the rest of that sandwich.
I have to stop again.
And get to a girl that eat all her food.
I what?
She never.
I always eat all my food.
No. No.
We should do a bestie confirmation. Like, ask us questions while we eat.
Well, yeah, I know this girl. Since she was little, she never finished her food.
I always do.
No. No. I always do.
If y'all watched the last video that I was in,
She ain't finished.
I finished my pasta after the video.
No, she didn't even finish after the video.
No, I ate some more. It was too spicy for me.
Oh, Mom. Y'all know I always show y'all the after. Okay. Ooh, still there. So while we waiting for her to finish her food, which is probably gonna take, I don't know. There's only a little bit left. Like I said, she eats so. Then claiming she full. What? They're claiming she full.
What'd she say?
I don't know. Why you put it down like that? You can finish the rest. Oh, it's like really this much left.
That'd be the worst part.
Somebody's here, obviously.
My mama, because she will call me. Oh my God, Kay, just end the video.
Thank you guys for watching. She never gonna finish her food, so I'm gonna just end the video because this video is gonna last forever. I recommend it.
I'm gonna bring it up.
I don't think like how everybody be hyping it up. Like I think it's overhyped, but that's good though. Like
Overrated.
yeah, that. But it's good though. Like I feel like compared to Chick-fil-A, like Chick-fil-A breasts, they be spicy. Chick-fil-A's breasts do be spicy. I never had their regular one, but like on Popeyes, like they just have a spicy sauce. And like the pickles and stuff make it good.
I like Popeyes better because Chick-fil-A's be too saucy. And I mean, when I go to these places, I don't really get chicken sandwiches, so.
Me neither.
They both decent though. I mean, they both.
I feel like I like Popeyes better. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. Chick-fil-A, I don't know why I always get full.
And I want a crunch.
I always get full off Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches. And they fries. Is that a good thing?
I don't like their fries. Popeyes fries is better.
But I want to thank you guys for watching.
At the same time, I don't think you could compare these places because they're not the same place. Like Chick-fil-A more of like a McDonald's.
No,
Popeyes is
but
like
they was in competition with each other.
Oh yeah, sure.
That's why Popeyes came out with the chicken sandwich, because
But they're two different categories in my opinion. Chick-fil-A is like a better McDonald's. Like people say that, but and then like Popeyes like a like what's that called when it's like
Popeyes is
it's a chicken place.
yeah. But say bye to my bestie. We'll have more special guests soon. It's basically my channel now. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to search out One Miss Garner on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all.